we are, Mr. Lincoln. We are at the house right now. What are we doing here?
Apparently they're building a pool. I haven't even seen like the spray paint yet.
Yeah, they put spray paint on the ground to show where the pool was. I tried to get a drone shot of that this morning, but it was a little bit hard because the shadows were over it. But if I got the shot, here's the shot. And here's the house. The whole thing is gray coated right now, so there's stucco on it. And then most of the, what's it called inside? Inside of the house, check out the drywall. It looks pretty much done. I don't know why it has these little marks on it. Like, what is this? Huh? I don't know, but the house looks awesome. Wow.
Wow.
Doesn't that look cool?
Yes.
What do you think about it, dog? Okay, but the big thing is, supposedly they've been digging a hole for the pool today.
Okay.
Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah. They're working on it. It looks like they did almost half of it now. Wow, that's awesome.
Doesn't look that deep.
No, it really doesn't.
That's the shallow end.
Let's go out.
And then I've got my camera on the window that I put up there this morning, and it's still there recording right now, so we need to get that off. I hope I did it right. What do you think about the pool?
It's cool. It's gonna be huge.
It is gonna be huge. Let's go check it out outside. Oh, this must be for the, I don't know. But what, is it a lazy river?
That'd be so cool if we went around the house and we had like a drawbridge to go like,
we should do that. No, I don't know what that's for. It must be for the water pipes and stuff. So over here in the pool, we're gonna have like a little kid area. I don't know if it's like a splash pad, but it's like a little kid area. And then down here, it's gonna be 3 feet deep going through. I think this thing is dug out right here because we're gonna put maybe the pool cover right here that just comes out and slides across the whole thing. But it's gonna go, Claire, go stand where it's gonna be. Claire, are you at the edge of the pool? Is it warm? It's cold. This is the pool. See the line right here, this pink line? Goes all the way down.
It ends right here, and then this is the hot tub.
The hot tub? I wish it was there right now because it would be really warm. All that blue mark right there. So she's in the hot tub.
Raised hot tub.
And then it's gonna be raised hot tub with like a waterfall. And then right here we'll have some pillars and you could jump in, and this is gonna be the deep end right here. So when they dig tomorrow, this is gonna go down 8 feet right here, just super deep. And then it'll slowly come up to the 3 foot level over here because the slide that's gonna come off of that is gonna curve around and come in and drop. So yeah, swimming pool, it is happening. Hey, don't go outside, okay, dog? Stay inside. If you need to go to the bathroom, just go in Lincoln's room. I'm gonna come back tomorrow because they said they're going to have the entire thing completely dug out. It's gonna get a lot deeper, and I'm just gonna come back tomorrow and film and show you what it looks like. All right, day 2 of the pool. Let's see how much they've been digging. Oh, the big boy's out. The big boy's out. Look how big that thing is. Holy freak. Yes. Okay, that looks amazing. Look at that. Here's the house right here. We're gonna walk out and then the pool will be right there. Obviously the deep end is right over there where you would jump in or where the slide is. And then if you want to swim laps, you can start from here and go all the way down and back. Swim laps, get in shape, get strong. Hi, hi, there's a dog here. Hi, buddy. Oh, hello. Hello, you're so nice. Hi. There's the deep end. At some point, this is gonna be filled with water right here where I'm at. Obviously, this is just the first step where they dig the hole and they dig it deep. Then they have to come in and put some sort of concrete in here, and then put the inner layer, and do whatever they need to do. Oh, and then the plumbing, you gotta have the plumbing. It's gonna be a self-cleaning pool that sprays all the stuff everywhere. And he's got this stick that beeps back here, and that has the height of it so that they can perfectly measure the exact depth that it needs to be for each one of these spots. At some point they need to dig for the hot tub back there too, so that'll be going on. I think we wanted to go like 8 feet deep, so they're gonna dig down probably like 9.5 so they can fill it up with concrete. This is a giant bucket. I don't know how you're not scared to stand under it all day. 2 days, they can dig this hole in 2 days. That's impressive. All right, the camera is still here. It's still rolling. I hope this time lapse works out. I'm gonna leave it there. Pool is happening. It feels a lot more real now. We have officially a hole. Someday we can swim in it, and it's one of the most exciting days of the house. Speakers, pool. There's a few key moments that I get really excited for, and this is one of them. We based the backyard off of the size of the pool so that we could swim laps and have fun, and it's happening. So anyway, let me know your thoughts. What do you think about our pool?